Joining me in the studio now, we have the lovely and incomparable Derek. Is it 4G or 4G?
Let's go with Forgy.
Okay, 4G.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Now listen, Derek, tell me who you are, what you do, what's going on, how are you doing?
Well, I'm great, actually. This is our first official radio interview for The Cause, so this is pretty fantastic for us.
And The Cause being Straight Ahead Laughs.
That's right, that's the show.
Right.
The show was happening, it's the official launch of the HSSE was the Heterosexuals for Same-Sex Equality. Basically,
Heterosexuals for Same-Sex Equality. You've said it a million times.
That's
so
right.
Don't glaze over it.
No, you're right. You're
That's
right.
a good one.
I thought so too, yeah.
Yes.
Basically, it's, our mandate is to be the official voice of the straight folks who believe in the same-sex rights movement.
Well, we thank you for that.
Hey, that's why I'm here.
Right on.
Yeah,
and your shirt says straight, not narrow.
It sure does.
I've been saying about some of my friends and family for years.
Have you seen them around? We sold a bunch on the community fair Pride thing, and we sold a whole bunch, and they were all over the place, which is very exciting.
And that's how you and I met, because I accosted you on Church Street Pride Week, and I'm like, that's a great shirt. Who are you? What do you do? I'm from Proud FM.
And here we are.
And there it is.
Yes.
Okay, so tell me what's happening. What are you guys doing? And talk to me about the Tuesday night's event.
Well, it's our official launch to the world. It's our we thought we'd go big. We booked the Panasonic Theater for it. It's like a stellar, like amazing comedy lineup. You got your Elvira Kirch, you got your Fraser Young, your Darren Jones, your Dave Merhaj, Andrew Johnson, Simon Rakoff. It's an evening of headliners.
Wow.
I mean, it's incredible. I mean,
Laurie Elliott.
Laurie Elliott is hosting the event, who's fantastic.
Is she hosting it?
She's hosting it. Hello.
Hey, she's funny.
Oh, she's fantastic. So we're really happy with the lineup, and everybody's like enthusiastically on board. And we're very confident in the show. I mean, I think anybody who comes is going to walk away very thrilled that they came.
Yeah.
And it's also a great cause. So even if you don't, even for some strange, backwoods reason you don't believe in the cause,
yeah.
just come to watch a damn good comedy show. I
So
mean,
when you say the cause, where's money going to? What's happening?
Well, basically, I mean, it takes money to get your word out. You know, I mean,
Yep.
we have pretty big plans. We want to be.
Well, Panasonic Theater, that's huge.
Yeah, it's pretty big. So
Yeah.
we get a lot of seats to fill, and we're hoping with that money that we make from the ticket sales, and we're also having a silent auction and whatnot, that's going to basically be our launching pad to be known across Canada. I mean, we want to be all over the place. We want to basically, if we've already got a couple calls too. Like if somebody calls us and says, hey, you know what, we want you to speak at our conference, we want you to come and speak to our school, we want this, we want that, we want to be able to do it on our dime.
Wow.
We want to be able to say, you know what, it's on us, we're going to be there, we'll speak. And
Getting the word about same-sex equality out to the world.
Exactly.
In Northern Ontario.
And the important, yes, that's where I'm from actually. So
Are you?
yeah, that's a part of it. Yeah,
From
North Bay, Ontario.
And you look really comfortable on the microphone too.
Yeah.
You've done radio, haven't
I
you?
had a radio show that nobody listened to years ago.
Me too. No, I was kidding. What was it called?
It was called Squirrels Cafe. It was on 103.9 Tourism Radio.
That's
And
really weird.
it was-
We're 103.9 product. That's weird.
I'm telling you. Wait, maybe no. Wait, no. I'm off a number. I'm
Okay,
off a
no,
number.
let's not say
I'm
any
looking.
other
I'm
numbers.
looking at the mic flash.
Oh,
no,
yeah, see?
I'm wrong.
That's
I'm
weird.
wrong.
Let's not say the number because we don't want anyone
Oh,
leaving
you're
me.
right. Yeah, I was on Tourism Radio.
That's
Had a
funny
morning
you said
show.
that, though.
And it was funny. And no, it was a lot of fun. And there was no music, no traffic, no weather. Just me and my silly little bits and
It would
useless
seem that
trivia.
you play well with yourself.
I get
just
that.
saying.
I get that a lot.
Okay, so Tuesday, this Tuesday, what's
Yes.
the date of Tuesday?
That's 17th.
Tuesday, July 17th,
Yeah.
right here on Yonge Street. Do you have some tickets that I can give away?
You know what? I have two great tickets. I've right down front, very front.
Can I switch them for the ones you gave me, or did you give me front row too?
I'm going to leave that in your capable hands.
Okie dokie. All right, so that would be my cue to have you call, I don't know, how about now? And will you come back and talk to me just about things?
I'll come back anytime.
All right.
I'll risk getting fired.
I love that.
I'll be back.
All right.
I'll say to hell with my boss. I'm going to Proud FM.
Bring your wife next time.
Deal with it. Cope.
And you know what?
Okay.
I like that you have the straight, not narrow shirt, which people have been emailing me. How do I get straight, not narrow T-shirts?
They will be available on the site. So
Okay.
post in the post 17th world after our fundraiser, they will be
Yes.
online. But if you want to get them right away and save yourself a few bucks, come to our fundraiser. Hello. Be there on the 17th. Buy them in the lobby. There
Right
you go. 15
on.
bucks as well. Cheap.
I know, so great.
Very narrow profit margin. I'm going to be honest with you.
Get it, narrow, profit,
Just-
straight,
I didn't even- that was
yeah, see
unintentional.
what you did there? You didn't even know. You're so good. You're so funny. You don't even know how money you are. Okay, thank you very much, Derek, for coming in. Here's Corey Lee and Lover's Holiday on the Pride of Toronto 103.9 Proud FM. That was great. That was great.
Hot
great,
damn, that was fun.
Great.
Some of that.
Right?
I'm loving it.
Well,
I miss it. I miss it. I miss it. And this reminded me of that.